these terms in increasing intention. Intention is the amount of definition. So which one is the most definition and which one is the least definition? And we got to put them in order of increasing. So we're going to start with the smallest amount of definition and go to the most definition. So which one is the least specific?
Communication.
Good. Communication. Abby, what's next after communication? Then language, because there's other kind of communication besides language.
Like writing and texting.
So that's language. Like facial expressions,
Ancient
grunts, pictures.
Ancient language.
Then ancient language.
Then
right so
then
far.
ancient Greek.
Then Greek.
Classic Greek.
And then classical.
Yes.
Classical Greek.
Would Greek be an ancient language, though?
Greek is a modern language, a medieval language, an ancient language, and a biblical times language.
Wait.
Number 4.
Ancient language.
Yeah. Classical Greek is different than biblical Greek. They're both ancient.
Oh.
Okay, number 4. In order of decreasing intention. We're going to start with the most specific definition one, and we're going to go down to the least. So, Southern Baptist is the most specific on that list.
Okay.
Then Baptist. And then
Protestant.
Protestante.
Are they called Protestants because they protested?
Then Cristiano.
Well, there was differences, but up until about 1,010, 1,050, I can't remember the exact, it was 10 or 50, there was only one organized church in the Western world.
Dang!
And then there was a split, and then there was only 2 kinds of church, the East and the West, and then it was that way all the way up until 1500s. So there's basically one functioning, organized church for the first 1,500 years of its life. Then Martin Luther, the German monk, said there were some serious problems, because there were some serious problems. And he's like, this, and this we need to discuss.
That's what the 95 BC were, right?
And so then it launched a huge upheaval. And so people that protested against those problems are called Protestants. And so then there's several branches of Protestants. So most people, when you say Christian, there's 2 groups that they think of. The Roman Catholics and everybody else. Everybody else is called Protestant. But technically you would also say there's Orthodox.
That's the eastern side.
Yeah, although that's a lot more prevalent in Greece and Russia.
There's also Russia.
So Christians, and then you've got religious people, which include all other anybody that just thinks something. Okay. You guys feeling it? Number 5. Let's talk about what to do there. So it says, determine the characteristic that distinguishes the species from the genus. So here's the genus, device. A timepiece is a kind of device. What makes the timepiece different than every other device? Ooh! Michael?
It tells you the time.
Tells time. So that's the distinguishing characteristic. A timepiece is a device that tells time. So what's the distinguishing characteristic of that species given the genus? So we have a timepiece. What makes a clock different from every other timepiece? So that's what you're going to do for these last 2, and then we'll check.
Do we have to write the question down, like determine the characteristics that distinguish them?
Yes, give me a sentence so I can check your answer from what you have there. So if you just write that down, then you can do a little
Doesn't a
jazz.
clock tell time too?